Welcome to solverfy.
So for this question, Stanmore Corporation makes a special purpose machine, D4H, and they use it in the textile industry. And Stanmore has designed the D4H machine for 2017 to be distinct from its competitors. It has been generally regarded as a superior machine and we presented the data for 2016 and 2017. And then the question says Stallman produces no defective machines, but he wants to reduce direct material usage per D4H machine in 2017. And the conversion cost depends on the production capacity defined in terms of the units produced, not the actual units produced. So selling and customer service costs depend upon the number of customers that Stallman can support, not the actual number of customers it serves. And Stallman has 75 customers in 2016 and 80 in 2017. So now the first question says, is Stallman's strategy one of product differentiation or cost leadership? And explain briefly. So to begin with, we're going to calculate the amount of cost A, unused manufacturing capacity, and the unused selling and customer capacity. So the first one is unused manufacturing capacity, and then this is equal to, from the table it is 14,000 US dollars minus 11,000, and this is equal to 3,000. Now the cost of unused manufacturing capacity, so this is the amount. Now the cost of unused manufacturing capacity is the cost of capacity at the beginning of the year minus the manufacturing resources during the year. And this is equal to 14,000 multiplied by $20 minus 11,000 multiplied by $20. So this is equal to 60,000. So this is the cost of unused manufacturing capacity. Now next, we're going to calculate the amount of unused selling and customer service capacity. So this is equal to 90 minus 80 and it's equals to 10. So the next one, we're going to calculate the cost of unused. So that is the amount. Now we're calculating the cost of unused selling and customer service quality. No, rather capacity. So this is equal to the cost at the beginning of the year minus selling and customer service resources that were used in the year. So this is equal to 90 multiplied by $180 minus 80 multiplied by $180, and this is equal to $1,800. So that's that. Now the second question Describe briefly key measures that you would include in Stanmore's balance scorecard and reasons for doing so. So we're going to calculate the maximum amount of cost that it can save in 2013 by downsizing the manufacturing capacity. So the maximum amount of cost savings it can have is equal to 30 multiplied by $8,100, and this is equal to $243,000. So that's your answer. Now, if you want to explain what we just did, we can say that downsizing results in savings in cost, but it is not advised. It's not advised to downsize, even if it doesn't eliminate any of the unused manufacturing capacity. So the reason is because it has two limitations of downsizing, and these are downsizing of unused capacity would result in eliminating the jobs, which can affect the employee morale of the culture of the company. And downsizing the or eliminating the jobs would will cause the employee morale and the culture to be affected, and therefore the company should think this factor before downsizing the capacity. So in essence, we can say that the downsizing capacity of the company would have negative impact on jobs. Downsizing the capacity of the manufacturing of the unused manufacturing would have negative impact on the jobs and the culture of the company. So these are things the company should look at before doing that.